Sa dami ng mga sakuna na nangyayari, bagyo, eto lindol pa. Si Gov. Johnny and I were discussing the damage that was caused by the last earthquake, and to make programs such as this, the giving of the transport vehicles successful. We cannot do this without you. Hindi namin magagawa itong ganitong transport. Hindi namin magagawa yung school room kung hindi sa LGU. Kaya bibigyan kayo ng mas maraming trabaho, but at the same time, you are now capable of doing more. And that is what we mean by everybody working together, everybody helping each other, working in the same direction, trying to achieve a common plan. At pagka nagawa natin yan, ayun, masasabi natin, eto na, bagong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat. Magandang magazine.